So paano nga ba kumita ng 6,000 pesos na free from Union Bank? Simply start referring a friend using the link that they had sent you through your email. Then just find it and scroll and click refer now. After that, you will be redirected on this page. Just input the numbers needed. First is the last 6 digits of your registered mobile phone number with Union Bank and the last 4 digits of your Union Bank credit card. After filling out step 1 and step 2, just click the unique referral link and you'll be redirected on this page. Just copy the generated link and share it to your friends to start applying for their credit card. For every approved referral, you will earn 6,000 peso eGIFT reward from Union Bank if you will refer it to a person with existing credit card account, and 1,000 peso in return if you will refer it to a first-time user of credit card. If you don't have yet your credit card, you may use my link on the description box. If this video helps, see you next time.